announce them soon. Green bean casserole is their hated.
Yeah, typical. They don't like vegetables in the Midwest.
Yeah, it's true. Even mushy ones.
I was so ready to come back here. The first thing I had when I came back from the Midwest yesterday was a big green salad with no cheese on it. I swear to God they put cheese on everything.
Also, Florida, which one is Florida, Georgia. None of the states are marked, so I'm going just by sight. I'm just looking at the map. Florida, Georgia, Texas, Nebraska, California, and Washington all hate cranberry sauce too. Most hate it.
See, these are all like metropolitan coastal areas that you're mentioning, except for Georgia.
Yep. Sweet potatoes are hated in Nevada and West Virginia and the Dakotas. Oh, and New Mexico. Isn't that crazy?
Notice nobody hates mashed potatoes.
By the way, turkey is also hated in Oregon and Idaho. Most hated.
Yeah, lots of vegans in Oregon. They probably like the tofurkey.
And also, I wonder if it's because turkey often comes out dry because people don't cook it right.
Well, they should follow the method I follow, but I can't teach everybody everything. Kind of the center of the country, a lot of the states in the center of the country, I don't remember all of them just by sight, but the ones where they're really squared off, those don't like green bean casserole.
Oh, so like Colorado, New Mexico, Arizona.
Yeah, in that vicinity. Oklahoma, whatever is above Oklahoma. I don't remember all the names of the states.
Isn't Tennessee above it?
No, Tennessee's way off to the... Tennessee, if I got it right, does not like turkey.
I should know Tennessee. It's your least favorite state. It's your most hated state, rather. You're thinking of Kansas.
And Alaska does not like green bean casserole. I only brought this up mainly to say, how does Massachusetts, where they grow cranberries, don't like that's their most hated food? Why do I even bother making this cranberry thing that I make?
Does it say what they do like?
Well, because your people
just
like
says hate.
it.
Oh. Well, I don't know about that. I mean, I'm still gonna make it, but still, I just think it's funny.
Doesn't Massachusetts have a ton of cranberry bogs?
Yes, that's what I said. It's the epicenter of the cranberry universe. They grow cranberries there.
I'm sorry, I didn't realize
Yeah.
you were saying that.
That's where Ocean Spray comes from. They're from Massachusetts. It makes no sense to me. I just think it's weird.
Yeah.
Is there anything you absolutely hate? I don't like sweet potatoes.
Chunky cranberry.
I'm not into sweet potatoes.
Chunky cranberry sauce, anything with nuts in it. Stuffing with meat, not a fan.
Yeah, okay.
Me either. I like bread stuffing. I don't like cranberry, but I always have it because everybody else likes
You
it.
like my stuffing. It's very simple. When